Okay, how do you test for arrest? There's two terminologies that we need to pay attention to when we're setting up our safety plan. So you basically have 30 minutes to set up your safety plan. As long as the roof's walkable, there's not really a problem there. If the roof's not walkable, then you need to set up some ropes from the beginning. But how do you test it? How do you know how far I can go from side to side? Fall arrest means that you don't fall off the roof more than 6 feet. Well, luckily, the wingspan is pretty darn close to that. Some are a little less than 6 feet, some are a little longer than 6 feet. So you'll have to measure yours to know for sure. You can just kind of hold up a tape measure and figure that out. But if I'm clipped in right here, and this is me being in fall restraint, not falling off of a roof, you know, this is my reach. This is as far as I can go. You can probably stay right there. So I'm kind of in this half circle of range. So to stay in fall restraint, I can't really reach that corner. To stay in fall restraint, I can barely reach that corner. I certainly can't reach any of that stuff. So fall arrest means that you don't fall off a roof more than 6 feet. That's our other measurement that we can get, that we can use. So you can stretch this out. There's your 6 feet. This is where my press-sick loop would go, and then I would clip that into myself. So now, what's my range? Well, now I can go all the way to here. So I can go all the way to here, and I could blow all that debris right into the neighbor's yard. You know, obviously I'm not going to do that, but I could go to here and I could hand scoop it. I could pull the debris towards me, or I would choose to use a ladder in that situation. I can definitely go all the way out to the corner and access this. So those are our two systems that we use, fall restraint and fall arrest. Fall restraint means not falling off of a roof. Fall arrest means not falling off of a roof 6 feet. Once you have that, then you can go check your roof out and see how far can I reach. Eventually you'll get an eye for it and you won't have to do this kind of thing. At least not very often.